Welcome. When I last
William
saw you, you didn't have a
Kabogo.
bald. Is this a fake bald or a real
Welcome.
bald? When I last saw you, you didn't have a bald. Is this a fake bald or a real bald? It's an artificial bald, is it? Yeah? Okay, we'll start. Honorable members. Nominee, welcome to this committee. We are to engage you to establish your suitability or otherwise to hold a public office as CS of Information, Communication and Digital Economy, to which you have been nominated by His Excellency the President. We'll start by asking you to take an oath. If you are Christian, there's a Bible. If you are Muslim, there's a Quran. If you are Hindu, there's a holy book of the Hindus. You are Christian?
Yes, I am.
Yes. Hold the Bible in your right hand and raise it and recite the oath.
I, William Kabogo, do swear that the evidence I shall give before this committee on the matters under its consideration shall be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help me God.
Thank you. You may take your seat and sign to the oath. Good. If you haven't given your original documents for cross-checking with what we have, you can give to the sergeant to pass on to the clerk. This is a committee of parliament on appointments in comparable jurisdictions. It's called approval hearings. Here it's called vetting. We are to assess your suitability or otherwise to hold office to which you have been nominated. I'm the chairman of this committee, being the Speaker of the National Assembly. And I'll invite members to introduce themselves, starting with my deputy.